After you finish cooking with your COSORI Pro LE air fryer, cleaning up just takes a few simple steps. Before cleaning, always turn off and unplug the air fryer and let it cool completely. Wipe the outside of the air fryer with a damp cloth. Wash the basket and crisper plate with hot soapy water and a non-abrasive sponge. Alternatively, place the basket and crisper plate in the dishwasher. Clean the inside of the air fryer with a slightly damp, non-abrasive sponge or cloth. If necessary, clean the heating coil to remove food debris. Make sure all parts of the air fryer, including the heating coils, are completely dry before using. To tackle stubborn grease, mix 2 parts baking soda with 1 part water to make a paste. Use a non-abrasive sponge to spread the paste on the basket and crisper plate and scrub. Let sit for 15 minutes before rinsing. Wash the basket and crisper plate with soap and water before using. Now your COSORI Pro LE 5-quart air fryer is completely clean and ready to make more delicious meals.